School Honors. So this is how to promote students from one class to the other. So it's a very simple process. First, I'm just going to go to www.fees.ng. Yes, so that's our web URL, and it's so fast. And then you go to administrator at the top right corner of your screen. Then you click, and the next thing there, you sign in by inputting your registered phone number and your passcode, which is your 6-digit PIN. Then once you do that, you log in. So once you log in, you're allowed to prepare your summary data, which is a process that will just take less than 30 seconds. And then you go straight to Student Hub. At the left corner of the screen, you click on Student Hub, and then there's going to be a drop down. So you have classes and you have students. So you click on students. And you click on students, you allow it to load the data. Yes, it's going to load data of your students. So this is the data of students in this My Test School secondary session. And then now this is something very tricky. In as much as this is very simple, you need to understand that you first need to go to the last class, which in secondary school is SS3. When you go to the last class, you need to graduate this whole class or promote this class so that there's going to be a room to accept the incoming class. Now, if you don't do this, it means it's going to merge, meaning you will need to clear SS3 before you send in SS2 into SS3. So to do this now, this is SS3. I have 11 students. I'm just going to click and select all. But even at that, you can click on more at the right corner of the screen. Here you have add student, and then you have here more. So click on more, and then you will see promote, demote selected, promote, demote entire class, graduate selected, graduate or repeat class, export CSV. So I will click on graduate all. Because this is SS3, it means of course they are graduating, and then I click on continue. So once this is done, it will empty this class so that this class can now accept SS2. Am I right? So I now switch back the class to SS2. So let's see. Now SS2, I have just one student. So now I'm going to take up the same process again. Click on more. Now you see that you're not seeing graduate here because SS2 is not a graduating class. So you only get to see promote and then demote and then repeat and then export. So what am I going to do? I'm going to promote the entire class. So now you see there's going to be a pop-up and it's asking, where do you want to now promote this SS2A2? And of course it is SS3A, and then I apply. So it says you are about to move all students in this class to SS3A. Click the button below to confirm your action, and then I click on continue. And once that is done, well, students have been moved. So you can see now that SS2A is empty, now creating a room to receive SS1. So I will now switch again, go to SS1. Now go to SS1. Student data uploaded. We have 34 students. So what do I need to do? Of course, I need to click on more, just like I said, and then promote entire class. Where am I moving them to? SS2A. And then I click on this, and then I apply. Now it says again, you are about to move all students in this class to SS2A. Then I continue. Then it's going to move the students. So this is the process you take through from the bottom to the top. Now, after that, I'm going to JSS3. When I go to JSS3, now I promote them, promote all, entire class. I'm moving them to SS1. and then I click OK. You can see it's a very stressless process, very stressless. So GSS3 now is empty and ready to accept GSS2. And then, so this is GSS2, and then I promote entire class to GSS3. Then I click OK. Good. Class change. Now GSS2 is empty and ready to accept GSS1, which on my own school, I call it Diamond Gem. So I clicked Diamond Gem, and then these are the students. What do? I promote the entire class to now GSS2, which is empty, and then I click OK. So once you click continue now, I have successfully graduated students from GSS1 to the next class. So now, of course, GSS1 is now empty to accept new intake. So thank you very much, and see you